This bitch is murdered out. Hey man, how you been, bro? I'm just here for a couple minutes because I gotta get back to work. Yeah, I gotta get a video though, you know. Damn, check out this. Holy shit. Look at this. Fuck you then, motherfuckers.
Woo! Search that nerve. What's up, fool?
I can't stay long. What's going on, man? COVID-19.
We waiting for you. We was waiting on him. When he come over here, y'all, we gonna turn around. That was your idea.
Yeah, I'm working. I got a customer in the car.
You brought a customer up here for me?
Yeah, I'm not kidding. He's sitting in the car.
You lying?
I'm not lying. Go look.
What she look like?
He.
Oh, no.
I thought he might have been the car dude. Got out and walked around looking at the car.
No, he's yeah, he seriously brought my customer.
I was charging you extra.
I gotta get some video before I leave. Hey, you know I got that on video, by the way.
What's up? Did you see what's here?
What? What? Go look at what? I brought my Crown Vic.
Where's that?
On the other side. Uh-oh. Yeah, no, that's the green one, man.
That run. Don't touch
You
it.
can't mess with the
Look
bullets,
up some. Hey.
No, that's the one that I painted.
That was talking shit.
Mustang Bullet Green.
Oh.
It's sitting over there. You can see it.
I'm glad to see you here. And in your car. Yeah.
So, wait, what?
Yeah.
Yes.
You brought you.
Made it here.
Let's go see. Let's see here. I can't stay long. I got a customer in the car.
Like I had to stop and get some food.
No, he's cool. Did you paint it?
No.
It's alright, mine's ugly still too.
We just got some nuts and bolts holding everything together so don't go flying on me.
That's what I said about mine. No, I'm just kidding.
Like I look at my driver mirrors on there and there's no glass in it. But it's here in one piece.
After all these years,
For all these years, it's here in one piece.
you gotta swap that fender for me. I brought the green Vics over there. I didn't want to bring it in, you know, all these damn Chevys.
No, you can't do all that stuff.
Hey, dear. What's up, fellas?
What's up? What's up?
Shay?
I gotta pay for the ride.
What the hell?
Help me, baby.
No, I'm kidding. What's up, Leo?
What's up, broski?
Does he own that car?
I can't stay long. I got my customer in the car. It's right there.
No, that's one of the guys.
I'll buy you a sandwich.
That's all right. Hey, I got it on video. I walked up to all those guys and they turned around and stopped looking.
We know people what we supposed to do, basically. Man, the car was running fine, so you went over there.
What's going on, man? How's it going? How's it going?
No, that's what I'm saying. It was running fine.
Pretty boy. How you doing, my buddy?
He videotaping the drive. No, you all right, just don't hit nothing.
Where's the wagon?
It was at North Avenue in 83 for about 5 to 8 hours.
Oh, that's good to know.
Well, the wife's got it right now.
Damn it.
So.